Okay, hello. So in this video, I'm doing example 8, which was for you to try. And we were showing that the derivative of tangent is secant squared using what? We were going to use 3 ingredients. Quotient rule, that's one ingredient. The derivative of sine and cosine. And the last ingredient is this hint that is written here, that sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. So we're going to combine those 3 things, and we're going to get the derivative of tangent. Let's do it. The derivative of tangent. So let's make a little bit of room here and see how this goes. So the derivative of tangent is nothing more than sine of x divided by cosine of x. That's tangent. And by quotient rule, this is the following. Quotient rule says do the square of the bottom, do the derivative of the top, that's cosine, derivative of sine is cosine, times the bottom, that's cosine again, minus, and then now you do the top, which is sine, times the derivative of the bottom, which is minus sine of x. So the derivative of cosine is minus sine, that's this term. The derivative of sine is cosine, that's this term. And then you have to multiply by the other things. So that's what you got. And now we have a minus minus going on, which is a plus. So this first term is cosine of x squared. Squared. The second term is the sine of x squared. And we're dividing by cosine of x squared. And now we use the hint. Cosine squared plus sine squared is 1. This is nothing more than 1 over cosine of x squared, also known as the secant squared of x. So that is why the derivative of tangent is secant squared, using the derivatives of sine and cosine, quotient rule, and sine squared plus cos squared equals 1.